Hey, can I offer you my best trading advice? Trading takes time. It's a process, and this process can be frustrating. You won't get it right the first time or the second time, and that's okay. But as long as you're willing to put in time and effort, you will get it right eventually. Also, trading is all about good execution. You can have the best trading strategy, but as long as you don't execute it well, you won't be able to make money. Discipline is the single most important trait of a successful trader. If you can't discipline yourself to do what needs to be done, there's no amount of education or training that will help. Basically, without discipline, you are just a gambler. And as a trader, you need to be able to adapt and shift gears quickly. Personally, I feel like good trading isn't about making money fast. It's about making a steady progress over time. No trader is perfect. Everyone has losing streaks. Good traders don't worry about their positions every single moment of every day. They focus on the bigger picture and let their trades work for them. You should never feel rushed to make a decision. That's how you end up making bad trades and end up losing money. Successful traders know how to take a loss without letting it get them down. They know the importance of keeping things into perspective and never letting one trade ruin the whole day or week. To really be great at trading, you need to put in time and effort. And the best traders are lifelong learners. They never stop learning or working. The hardest part about trading is when things go wrong, and they will. But the best traders, they don't focus on that. They focus on moving forward and how to reach their goal. And if you want to become a great trader, it's very important that you learn to think independently instead of relying on outside sources of information all the time. The best traders have an eye for detail and a strong sense of intuition. They can see patterns emerging in the markets and act on them before anybody else knows what's going on. When you are a trader, you need to be resilient. This means that when something goes wrong, you can't let it get you down. You have to be able to bounce back and keep on going. As a trader, you have to be willing to wait for the right moment and be able to act on it when that moment arrives. If there's one thing that I've learned from interacting with successful traders, is that they are confident because they know what works and they simply stick to it. They don't allow themselves to get distracted by other people's opinions because those things don't matter. What matters is how well you execute your own strategy. And lastly, the moment you start thinking about how much money you can make, you are setting yourself up for a failure. Don't focus on the numbers too much. Focus on the process. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Peace.